been wearing the Oura Ring 4 for almost a year now. This isn't a hate video, it's a reality check after 365 days. And not to spoil the video, but don't buy it. Here is why I cannot recommend it anymore. First of all, if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe, join the family. Every week we test fitness wearables and tech gadgets. If you think about it, we are testing it. If you love learning about how to optimize your health, this is the place for you. Okay, let's dive into the video. What is wrong with the Oura Ring 4? As I already mentioned, I have worn it for over a year now. Every single day, every workout, every sleep, flights, saunas, swimming pools, everything. And I will start by saying this. Till this day, it's amazing how they put so much technology in this small tiny form factor. It's a technological marvel. No kidding, it's amazing. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. The amount of data and intelligence this ring has is mind-blowing. I'ma give it that. But after 12 months of real use, the honeymoon phase starts to fade away and you notice some issues. But before we discuss the issues, let's talk about what are the pros. I will give Oura some credit first. This thing is amazing at some things. In terms of consistency and reliability on the data side, as I showed you in the previous video when we compared it to the Whoop MG and the Apple Watch Ultra 3, not only the Oura Ring is accurate, but it's the most consistent, the most close to the truth, the most reliable. It's the most stable out of everything. And that's really crucial because in health optimization, consistency beats accuracy in a way. You always need a reference point you can always rely on, and the Oura Ring 4 in that is succeeding. Story time: during my lost bulk in the last winter, my HRV started tanking for 2 weeks. The Oura and the Whoop MG are the first ones that started noticing it. Even before, when I noticed I'm getting watery. And that's what I love about the Oura Ring and the Whoop. They tell you the truth before you even notice it, without you even asking. If you are still watching to this point, you are already ahead of most people. You need the truth. Now let's start with the first reason why I stopped trusting it in a way. It's great at recovery, but not so much at everything else. Oura is amazing at tracking your sleep and recovery HRV and recovery RHR, but completely blind during the day. It doesn't tell you anything about your training. It imports everything from Apple Health. Whether you are using the Apple Watch or the Whoop to write to Apple Health, Oura takes that data about exercising from Apple Health to the Oura. You see the dilemma? It cannot just work by itself. It's not a one-stop shop thing. It needs the data from Apple Health about exercising. It doesn't track the workouts by itself. And if you try to, especially during cycling or during weight training, the amount of vibrations and movement makes the data unreliable. With the Oura Ring, you always need a second device, whether it's the Apple Watch or the Whoop MG or the Polar chest strap, to get the full picture. I once finished a brutal leg workout and I came home completely wrecked. I checked my Oura app. I found out from squeezing the leg press so hard, the ring couldn't take or sense my heart rate during squeezing. And that was the moment I started realizing it's not a full lifestyle tracker. It's only a $500 sleep tracker. So if you made it this far, you started to notice why I started to not like it as much. You're now about to hear why I can't really recommend it anymore. On to point 3, the durability. Let's talk about the main deal breaker: durability and battery. Within the second week, I started scratching the ring. Even though that's the premium finish, it started scratching from holding the dumbbells at the gym, and after 1 year of use, it's completely wrecked. It's not new anymore. I'm not that careless. From the second week, it should at least withstand some use, but not the case with the Oura, and after 1 year, you can see for yourself it's damaged. This shouldn't happen to a premium finish for $500. And then let's talk about the real problem: the battery. It collapsed. It started strong. It was around 7 days of use on a single charge, but 1 year later, now I have to charge it every day. I'm not kidding. If I wear it all day, I have to charge it every day in the morning. So recently I started just wearing it on my sleep and leave it on the charger all day long. That way I can charge it every 1.5 to 2 days. But still, I tested it multiple times. If I wear it all day, I have to charge it every day, like the Apple Watch Ultra 1 I just traded for my Ultra 3. That defeats the purpose of having something without a screen. I want to charge it once and forget about it for some time, but not the case anymore. The battery drainage or health has completely gone at this point. You need to upgrade every year, so I cannot recommend it anymore. 2 weeks ago, I forgot to charge it. It died on me in the middle of the night and I woke up with half of the night's data missing. So after that point, I cannot recommend it. I really wanted to love it because it has killer features. I told you about the consistency and the form factor and the AI advisor. I love that it studies your data in the back end and sends you feedback without even asking. I wish the Whoop MG did that. In the Whoop MG, you have to ask the AI to give you feedback. In the Oura, the advisor, the AI, gives you feedback without even asking. And that's amazing. I love how consistent it is. For sleep tracking, the data accuracy is amazing. But what happened to the battery and the finish? This is not a $500 value. No way. I would say it would be killer if it was around $220 to $250. It would be amazing. But from $350 to $500, this is not acceptable, especially because it needs a second device like the Whoop MG or the Apple Watch Ultra to track your exercises efficiently. You cannot just buy it and track everything with it. No way. It's good if you are just trying to fix your sleep or understand your sleep, but you're not training at all or lightly training. Maybe you can buy it, but still, for $500 is too much. You can buy the Helio strap for that, or you can buy an Apple Watch SE for that. You would be just fine. The Oura is too expensive for what it does, even for the people it's intended to. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I hope I saved you some money and helped you make a better decision. Please go watch this one. I'll be comparing the Oura Ring 4 with the Whoop MG and the Apple Watch Ultra 3. 2 weeks of data, you decide which one is the accurate one. Go watch it. I'll see you there.